Hey everybody, what's up? So today's just for our huddle today. I thought I'd cover a couple things. You always hear, oh, the market's terrible, the market's bad, it's crashing, prices are falling, and it's really slow right now. It's not a good time to sell. Well, I think a good thing to look at is actual numbers, is you can pull up the actual MLS. In fact, I'm going to just share my screen here. Um, and just let you all see pretty much this is Monterey County, and you can kind of see new listings that have come up, 28, and this is just the last 7 days, and this is only single family homes. I'm not counting condos, commercial, mobile homes, or anything like that. This is just single family residences. But take a look at this. I mean, let's be realistic here. 28 new homes on the market in the last 7 business days, or 7 calendar days, excuse me. List price increased to 26 have dropped their price. Now we are seeing a lot of price drops. Let's give that to the market. Well, I will say that things are softening a bit to make it a neutral market, but 5 have come back on the market. That's the transactions fell through. Contingent and pending, look at that. That's 36 homes that have gone into contract in the last week alone, just in Monterey County. And then look, here's when people are telling you the market's dead. Look at the change to sold. 32. 32 have sold in the last 7 days. So yeah, we've had some expires, we've had some canceled. Sellers may price too high or the conditions just too bad for the price on the home and it's too high. So they come off the market. We got that. So let me just pull up San Luis Obispo County. Here's San Luis Obispo. Uh, 52 new homes on the market. This is going into the fall, into wintertime. 59 have reduced price. 11 of them have come back on the market. But again, look at how many are active under contract. Look at 25 and 37. So that's what, 62 homes that have gone into escrow in the last 7 days. And again, this is just single family homes. And tell me San Luis Obispo County is not active. Look at how many transactions have closed in the last 7 days. 38. So when you hear people saying like, oh, the market's falling and it's terrible and things are bad, you know, give them some hard numbers to look at, or um, maybe ask them to see, well, okay, who's it bad for? Are you talking about a buyer or are you talking about a seller? Get some reality and some numbers behind those comments. So always go back to your MLS and really just about informing people. And of course, that's if people are serious. If someone's just doing that to just conversate and be negative, they're just going to do that about everything anyway, probably. So you want to just focus on your clients that are actually buying or selling and really help assure them or give them some real information. On those sold, you can drill in to what has sold, what the average days on market were. I'm not going to get into all that today, but there's other ways you can drill in and inform your clients and really get them up to speed on what's going on in the market and even in their own neighborhood, right? You can drill into whatever area they've focused on. Maybe they're focused in one zip code, one neighborhood. Uh, really drill into that neighborhood and get them some info on that, on what the stats are too. That'll help them in making their decisions. Okay. So the last thing I wanted to cover was a quick question that came to me. And I want to get your thoughts on it because the question was, can a tenant claim that they want their payment due date of their rent due on a different date? Let's say the rent's always due on the 1st, but they want it due on the 15th. And they've got a therapist that's telling them they can do that. So can that be done? What's your thoughts? Put them below or just message me. Let me know what you think. I don't think so. I think you can't unilaterally decide when you want to pay your rent as a tenant, and even a landlord can't unilaterally decide, hey, I want your rent this month on the 15th instead of the 1st. You would have to give someone notice, as far as I'm concerned, in any contract when it's a tenancy, especially, you'd have to give them some notice, and both of you would have to agree to that change. So bilateral contract, right? So where both parties have to agree and come to an agreement, get it in writing. So I think that's kind of a bogus claim myself. So I'd like to see where that ends up and like to see what your thoughts are. Anyway, it was just a quick little question that came up recently, and I thought I'd share that in the group today. But hope you're all doing good. We do have a couple of new mentees and a couple of new agents that have joined. So welcome to you. You know who you are. You'll be in the group chat with us. But yeah, go out and see what you can do today. Again, I'm always going to end with reminding you to check on your active buyer seller list. How's that going? Are you taking people off that are ghosting you? Are you adding in the new ones, the new leads? If you're not getting new leads, go find some. So whatever works for you, go add to that list. All right. Hope you're having a great day. Take care and thanks for coming today. I'm going to sign off now. Take care.